his own volition. There you are. Come on, keep walking. You're late.
Couple of days in this place, you turned into some clock-watching city boy. What's the urgency?
We need to leave, forever. We've been doing well, making money, but for us all to leave together, we need enough for a boat. Now, I found a friendly ship captain. He's willing to take us to Australia or Tahiti. We just need to pay for passage and give him money for land when we get there. No questions asked. We will disappear, be reborn.
Well, where the hell is Tahiti?
South Pacific, an untouched paradise.
Who lives there?
Tahitians, I guess.
We made a bit of money on that riverboat job, but not enough for us to leave and live peacefully. Where's the rest coming from?
In there.
So we are gonna rob that place.
Well, I didn't think we was fixing the plumbing. I don't know if you have noticed, but we are on the clock. I reckon we got a few days before the Pinkertons show, and then, well, we're done. Now, we need money. Bronte said this place has got money. Come on! Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Behave as I tell you, and none of you will die. Annoy me, and you all will. Now remember, we just want money. Don't
Hand
make
over
us
all
kill
your
you.
money now.
Mr. M,
Quick.
leave these fine folks with their valuables. Mr. S, check that room back there. I got this one.
All your money
your
now.
choice.
Don't make me
Not mine.
ask twice.
All right,
Kindly
is everything
open
okay?
that gate and let my acquaintance inside.
Now, I'm gonna need everything you got on it.
And let my acquaintance.
There's nothing much here.
Yes, what?
There's nothing really here.
You're sure?
Yes.
Then get out here and get ready for company. All of you! Behave. We don't want to hurt any of you. Mr. M, check the safe.
Sure. Open it.
I don't think they keep much cash in there.
Open it! There's almost nothing here.
There should be stacks of cash in there. He told us there was. Look again.
There's no stacks. A few dollars in coins, that's it.
Damn!
We got a problem. There's a ton of cops out there.
Come on now! We got you surrounded!
That greasy son of a bitch! He set us up!
You think?
This seemed like a good time for sarcasm to you, Arthur.
What we gonna do, gentlemen?
Something! We tried. The trolley! Follow me, gentlemen! Go now!
Go! Does this trolley go to Tahiti?
I hope so. On the right. We got some in those alleyways, Arthur.
Stand up on that balcony.
Dave's gonna pay for this.
Some riders coming on this side.
Arthur, cover our left. You all right there, kid? Arthur, coming out of the bank on the right. That bastard must have called in every cop in the city.
You're just gonna run, will you?
Outside the saloon. Oh, damn. We are really moving here. Arthur, slow us down. Slow this thing down.
I'll try. The thing's broke. Hold on! You okay, Dad?
Sure. Just about.
He's fine.
Shit!
Right, ready?
Watch out. Got some on the balcony here. How many of them are there?
Just keep shooting till nothing moves.
This is getting ugly.
This is our chance to move.
Let's go.
Through here! Let's go!
All right, Dutch. I won't lie. I've been better, son. Lenny, keeping up. Come on.
Boys! Shit! Stay in here, too!
We can't let them follow us.
Look out! They blocked the road! We gotta move! All stay with me!
Marshfield Driscoll's jump us. And now this. We need to wake up. We'll wake up after we get the hell out of here.
Eyes up! On the balcony! Okay, boss, let's move!
Go right.
Let's move up, Dutch! All right! Watch out! How you doing there, boss?
I'm okay.
Now's our chance! Let's go!
We might need it.
Man getting on the wrong side.
Head for that wagon.
What are you doing? We gotta move.
Took a real bang on the head back there. I'm seeing three of everything. You stay down. I'll hold him off. Coming from behind. Get rid of him.
Looks like they ain't giving up yet.
They are gonna get him now.
To our right! Shoot him down!
Three on the left. They're still coming.
Oh, we got more on the right! Oh, shit! Yeah, take it easy!
Head for the bridge.
Damn! They blocked the road!
Hold on. Who's this?
Trying to shoot us! Shit, it's the law! Ah, that'll do it!
We're through.
You see any more?
Just keep going, kid.
You okay back there?
Don't worry about me.
Just get us out of here.
Yeah! I think we're clear.
You know what, Dutch? Next time, It's not damn discretion.
Seemed like a good lead.
I know, but...
Well, we made it. Thanks to you.
Don't mention it.
Yeah.
You're a good kid.
And we each got $15. Oh, and a quarter. Don't forget the quarter.
Shut up, Arthur. He set us up. Played me like a yokel. Put the law on us. What did we do to him? What did I do to him?
I guess he thinks he's the king around here. He don't want the likes of you. So, what are we doing next, Dutch?
We just need money. One more decent take, and we're gone. The bank is our bet. Hosea agrees.
Even after that?
Especially after that. I don't feel so good.
Now you just got a bash on the head.
Come on. I'm taking you back to camp.
Hey, you did real good there, Lenny. Just wish it could have turned out better.
Well, can't win them all.